This is the Insta360 Flow. It's an AI-powered smartphone stabilizer and gimbal. This is the stone gray version. It has this magnetic opening on the side. This is the gimbal. So this is the mount that goes on your phone. It's magnetic on the back side. And you get this USB-C to USB-A cable. You get this Insta360 little carrying case. And you get this grip handle, quick guide, instructions. You pull this tab off here. And as you can see, it has this little indentation here that'll lock in. So it's really strong lock there. You have to really pull it off. So that's great that it's secure. So you just pull this handle down and you'll see it starts up. So it has these different controls here in your joystick. The power button here. What's nice, it has a 1/4 built in, so if you want to attach this to a tripod, you can. Pull this lever out here, and then you have these little legs that come out. And then it folds out like this. And then it also has, if I pull this, it's got this built-in extension arm, and you could also adjust it forwards. So that's pretty cool. I want to push this back down, close that, stick that back in. If I want to use this grip, all I got to do, just place that over. Now you have a nice little grip. So it also has the part where you charge here, and then under here you have an out, so you could charge your phone while you use this. Acts as a power bank. It's got a cold shoe mount. So if I want to attach this Rode Wireless Go receiver, I could do that. But if you don't want to use that, all you gotta do is keep it closed.